Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video, guys. If you have a Kia Optima and you're trying to find where the fuse for the sunroof or panoramic roof is located, stay with us, we'll cover that today. You may have up to 3 fuses, we'll try to cover each one of them, we'll explain where they're located in case you need to replace them. And if your sunroof doesn't work, okay, we have a video that explains how to manually close it on our channel, and we'll try to put the link in the description of the video below that explains how to do that on a car with a sunroof. So, let's start on it now. If you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, parts for your Kia Optima, we'll share the link in the description of the video below where you can buy all that from for a really good price and quick shipping. That's where we get all the parts and tools from. Also, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, the plan, guys, on that Kia Optima is to make at least 200 free electrical and diagnostics videos, and they will be published on the channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live. And we'll have more than 300 videos where we'll be taking the engine apart, the car apart, and all that will be on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics. So please check it out, subscribe. We'll have so much helpful information coming on this vehicle there as well. So let's start on it now. So if you come inside the vehicle, next to the footwell, you can see that fuse box, okay, right here. Remove that cover, and that's where the fuses are. Now, we'll come outside actually, so I can show you. So, as I said, guys, okay, we took a picture of the fuses inside so we can show you with the great detail where things are, because otherwise it's practically impossible for us to show you guys, okay, where the fuses are located. So, the first fuse, okay, that we're actually trying to find, okay, if you look on the back side of your fuse lid cover, I tried to take a picture to show you and zoom it a little bit so you can see with great detail. The first one is known as module 2. So if you come to the, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth row, the very first fuse on top, 7.5 amp fuse, that's the fuse that you need to check for sunroof. Okay, that one right there. Check it out. Now, what else you have? Okay, you have another fuse that's just called the sunroof, and it's the 4th row. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you come down to the very last fuse, the 20 amp fuse, that's the one for the sunroof. Those are inside the vehicle, guys, but you have actually some that are outside, and we have a fuse box here. Okay, that's the layout of the fuse box. We'll open it now. Okay, let us show you now. You have here 2 tabs that you need to squish and open. And now the fuse, guys, okay, that we're looking at, okay, it's actually known as B+3, IP B+3. So if you come to right here, guys, okay, that big fuse, that's the one for the sunroof, controlling sunroof as well. So check it out. And we always recommend, guys, to test your fuses if they're burnt, if they're in good condition, because you may think you have a good fuse, put it in, and you still have problems with your Kia Optima. What will happen? You'll spend more time and money to fix it when all you had to do test the fuse. It takes only a few seconds, and we have a special video that explains that. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Also, if you need to buy replacement fuses for a good price, we'll share the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.